Hi, I'm Anita Emoff from Shumsky Promotional in Dayton, Ohio. So, how did I end up in this industry? Well, to be quite blunt, one of the reasons for why I ended up here was first Michael Emoff. But interesting enough, we both agreed on that I should not enter into this industry first when we met, and we probably wouldn't be working together. But I think the industry just started first on the recognition side, where I started having interest in that, and the passion just kind of grew in that area, and I started becoming more interested in the promotional industry just by watching Mike, going with him to PNH meetings, going with him to shows, and it was just organically. So if I have to talk about biggest challenges, oh boy. First when I came into the business, first learning the business was interesting, and you can probably all realize when either you got it or you don't in the promo industry. It's not something you just learn. Some people can learn, but I truly believe it's something that's probably in your blood veins somehow. And but one of the things that intrigued me tremendously was not so much the creative side of it, in terms of the product, because that is what I lived when I was in Europe, but more the process of how can we make this really efficient and faster and smoother and more creatively operational wise, and how can we bring more value to the clients, how can we bring more value to the industry, in looking at whether it's through tools, or it's through how we communicate, or it's through how we present the products. So that side of the business, which was kind of a surprise to me, really caught me, and I was mostly passionate about that. Probably one of the biggest achievements, and there's quite honestly multiple ones, but the one that I take most pride in is our staff. Is watching each individual grow with us and embrace the changes that I have put this company through, and see them understanding where Mike and I want to take this company and the long-term growth, and then aligning their roadmap, personal career, and their growth pattern with the company. That's a tough thing. It's the toughest thing, I believe, is to change people. And when you have been here for 15 years, 10 years, even 8 years, I think when people think about the ways that they have to align themselves and change something they've done for that many years, and I'm saying now you can't go right anymore, you have to go left. I think that's tough, and we're still going through that change, and we're still going to go through that change. I think that is probably my biggest achievements.